Regenerative agriculture. It is a term gaining momentum worldwide, but what does it actually mean and why does it matter? A recent critical review, published in Cabby Agriculture and Bioscience, explores just that. Led by Dr. Nicholas Bardsley from the University of Reading, the review argues that as global agriculture faces soil degradation, climate disruption, and ecological breakdown, we need to rethink how we produce food. At its core, regenerative agriculture is about working with nature rather than against it. Instead of prescribing fixed methods, it focuses on outcomes: healthier soils, thriving ecosystems, and resilient farms. The idea is to enhance natural cycles, nutrient, carbon, and water, so that farms do not just conserve resources, but actively rebuild them. Scientific research shows that soil is not an inert substance, but a living system. Plant roots, microbes, and fungi form complex networks that recycle nutrients, capture carbon, and retain water. Practices such as cover cropping, minimal tillage, integrating livestock, and using biological inputs can reactivate these processes. In real-world terms, this means farmers can regenerate soil faster than once believed possible. The benefits go beyond the farm. By restoring biodiversity above and below ground, regenerative agriculture can help sequester carbon, reduce pollution, cut dependence on synthetic fertilizers, and even improve crop nutrition. This has potential knock-on effects for climate resilience, public health, and rural economies. But the review also highlights challenges. Current agricultural policies often reward short-term productivity rather than whole-system resilience. There is limited funding for long-term trials, and the growing popularity of the word regenerative risks greenwashing if standards are not ecologically sound. The paper suggests that supporting farmer-led experimentation and local monitoring may be more effective than top-down certification schemes. Ultimately, regenerative agriculture is less about adopting a checklist of practices and more about embracing a new paradigm, one that recognizes farming as an ecological partnership. By centering soil as a living foundation, it challenges conventional thinking and offers a pathway from extractive to restorative food systems. Thanks for watching.